Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see Class 3 Maths, Chapter number 6, House of Hundreds 1. This is the part 2 video. So, if you missed to watch the part 1 video, kindly watch the video, understand, and then come for part 2 video. So, these pages are already completed in part 1 video. So, now we will go to part 2 video 9 directly. And students, I have started taking a tuition to everyone, so class 3, 4, 5. So this is the important news about the tuition. So if you want to join the tuition timetable, I have already given here for class 3, class 4 and class 5. So for class 3, monthly fees is 400, class 4 and 5 monthly fees is 600. Okay, so I'll be teaching maths, English and EVS. All very important exam questions will be discussed. Weekly revision test will be there, worksheet will be given, chapter explanation will be given. Class will be done via online Google Meet. It is a video call, so that I will be explaining clearly. I'll be asking questions in the middle, so it will be very useful. Parents, you can call me or you can message me to this number 74186 19174. If I'm not attending the call, you can WhatsApp me this number 74186 19174. Or if you need only worksheet for practice, if you don't want to join this classes, then worksheet is available for Hindi also, maths, English, EVS and Hindi. So monthly rupees 199, I'm sorry, 119, which is 119. So go to join option in the description box, click the join option, select option work 3, which is worksheet, so that I'll be sending worksheet for exam practice. Okay, so now we can directly go into 9 question. Make the number slider as shown in the picture. Increase or decrease the number as given below. Okay, here this is the slider which is shown below. We can increase or decrease the number as given below. Okay, so let's see. 285. Increase the number 1. So we need to increase the number 1. So 285. So 2. Here we can keep 2. And this one is 8. And here we have 5. So if we increase the number, it will go to 286. So 286. Okay. So next 147. So 147, increase the number by 10. So we need to increase the number by 10. So 147, if you add 10 more number, you will get 157. But here you have to do with this slider. So you can keep the slider here in number 1 and number 4 and number 7. But you have to move the slider. But here in this is a picture, so we are unable to move it. But when you have done it, you can able to easily move and find the answer. Okay, so the next one, 367, decrease the number by 2. So decrease means we have to minus. So if you decrease the number, you will get 365. Okay, then 289, decrease the number by 10. So you have to minus number 10. So you will get 279. Okay, so next one, 290, increase the number by 20. So 290 plus 20, which is 310. Okay, this one is easy one. And this one is also important question only. Okay, so next one. So we have, let us play a guessing game. TG has bought of numbers between, okay, let us play a game. It's a game actually. TG has thought of a number between 200 and 210. Jojo has to guess it. Okay, so it's a number guessing game. Okay, so now, why does the flag point to the right here? The number is more than I guess here. So he's telling 205. 205 is wrong. Why does the flag point to the right? The number is more than that, I guess. Here, see, the flag is pointing towards the right, which is greater than 205. So 205 is not the right number. It should be more than 205. Okay. So then let's see the second guess. He's telling 208. Okay. So see the flag. The flag is towards the left. Okay. Towards the left from 208. So that is also not the correct answer. Why does the flag point towards the left? So 208 is also the wrong answer. Okay. So the number is between 205 and 208. So let's find out. So now he is guessing, is that 206 or 207? He don't know because we have two numbers in between, right? So now she's telling 206 is wrong. So she's telling 206 is wrong. See, it's 206. The flag is towards the right again. So you have only one number, which is 207, which is the correct answer. Okay. So they're just playing a game by pointing the flag. Okay. Now you try and play a game with your friends and guess the number. So you can also play same kind of games with your friend and you can guess the answer. Okay. So and we still have few more pages on this lesson. Let's see. We can complete up to page number 71. So after 71 we can do in our next video. Okay. So let's continue now. Magical count. Write down any number name, count the number of letters in that number name, and write the name of that new number down. Keep repeating what happens. Okay. So let's see. We have 235. So 235. So let's see how many letters are there. So let's count the letters first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So they are counting and also 21, 22, 23. So adding and also they are counting the entire letters, which is 23. Okay. So now they have written the number 23. So 23, let's count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, again they have written 11 and they counted, they found 6 and they wrote 6 and 1, 2, 3, they wrote 3 and they counted, they wrote 5 and 5, they counted 1, 2, 3, 4 and they wrote 4. So let's see, let's count for 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you count 4, what you're going to write? You're going to write 4. Okay. So this is going to be very easy and fun also. Okay. So 187, 204. So now we have to count and write. This is like your class activity, very, very easy. This is not your exam question, but this is like a magical count and fun activity. Okay. So you have to count how many letters are there. For example, if you are counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24. So here you have to write 24. TWENTY 24. Okay. Again you have to count how many letters are there in 24 and write the letters here. Okay. Likewise you have to do here also. Same thing. Okay. No difference. Next one. Numbers on a line. Tell Tiji, Jojo and Bolu what will be the next 100 number. Write on the number line below. Can you show the number using matchsticks? Okay, here this is an activity you have to do with the matchsticks, but here we can complete this number line. Okay, so we have 0, 100, 200, 300. So after 300, you will get 400. So if you had one more line, you will get 500. Okay. So here see 100, 200, 300 and 400. So after 400 we have 500, 600, 700, 800 and 1000. Okay. So next one. TG and Jojo are trying to put their numbers on the following number line. So here there is a number line. So locate 216, 243, 257 on the number line. So here you have to locate the number. So here we are given with the intervals, which is 10 intervals. So each number space we have 10 numbers. So 200, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250 and 260. So now we have to place the value. So here 260. So here we can able to find the middle is 215. This one is 215. So next to 215 we can able to locate 216. So this one is 216. Okay, 243. So here 240. So here you will have 245. So previously you will have 244. This one is 243. So this one is 243. So next one is 257. So here we'll have 255. This is 255. So after that we'll get 256. This one is 257. So this one is 257. Easy one. Okay, likewise you have to count and write the numbers. Okay, here locate 239, 233, 337, 375, 387 on the number line below. Okay, but here you have to fill the missing boxes first. So 320, 330. So here you have 340, 350, 360, 370, 380 and 390. Okay, so you have to locate this number. So locate these numbers in this number line. It's going to be very easy. Let's do the first one. So 298 is just one line below 230. So here, I'm sorry, 330. So this one is 229. Okay, so this is going to be very easy, children. Okay, so tell how far is 387 from 400. So how far it is, how many jumps it's needed. So here from 387 to 390 we have 3. So here we have 3. So because from 387 we have to go to 388, 389 and 390. So we have 390. So from 390 to 400 we have 10, which is 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399 and then only you will get 400. So we 10. So 10 plus 3 which is 13. Okay. So tell how far is 387 from 400 is 13. Okay. In case if they ask tell how far from 390 to 400, 390 to 400, we have 10. So that answer is 10. Okay. So next one. Which is more, 398 or 400? Use the number line and show. Okay. So which is more? Which is more? 398 or 400? Obviously 400 is more. But here they are asking to do this in a number line. Okay. So we have 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399. This one is 400. Okay, which is more? Obviously 400 is more. Okay, use the number line and show. Fill the numbers on the number line and show jumping how far from 398 from 400. So this one is 398 and this one is 400. So how far it is? So 398 to 399, 399 to 400. So 2. Alright, very easy. So now we have completed the part 1 video, children. Okay, so if you have any doubts, do send me an email. I'll be replying. Now we have sports day celebration going on in each Kendriya Vidyalaya school, right? So we are little busy. So I'll be uploading the videos and please let me know if you have any doubts, okay? So you all have a wonderful day and please wait for the part 2 video. I'll be up. Let's see. Teji and Jojo are hungry after all the running around. They go to sweet stall. So the fruit shop, I'm sorry, the sweet shop. The sweet shop name is Farouz Chacha Sweet Shop. Okay, so he is Farouz Chacha, and see here we have Teji and Jojo. Okay, and they are very eager to watch the sweets. Let's see. We have few question and answer based on this sweet shop. Okay, so we have Mysore Pak and laddus. Here are the laddus, and we have the dokla. So let's see the first question. How many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in one tray? So how many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in one tray? Okay, when you look at these trays, in one tray we are having 100 Mysore Paks. See here, they have given 100 Mysore Paks in one tray. So how many Mysore Paks are there in one tray? We have 100. But when you look on the top one, the first tray, we have few Mysore Parks that's already sold out. So we only have leftovers, okay? So in one row we have 10. Let's see, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each row we have 10 Mysore Parks, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, 4 complete rows, which is 40, and we have 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. So 40 plus 5 is 45. So on the first box we have 45. Okay, so in full box there are 100 Mysore Parks, and on the top box we have few Mysore Parks which is already been stolen. So someone has already bought these Mysore Parks, so the leftover is 45. Okay, so next question. How many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in total? So in this full box we have 45. On the top box we have 45, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So each box we have 100. So 100 into 4, which is 400. So 400 plus this 45. So 400 plus 45 is 445. So the total Mysore Pak is 445. Okay, so very simple. Okay, next question. How many laddus does Chacha have in the trays? So they are asking trays, not tray. Trays means the entire tray. So how many laddus are there in entire tray? So here in bottom we have 4 trays, which is equal to 400, because in one tray we have 100 laddus. So 4 tray it is 400 plus the top one. So the top one we see few of the laddus are already been sold out. Okay, let's count how many laddus are the balance. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this out. So make sure that you can able to see the entire laddu. One minute. I'm going to zoom this out. Mm, no, I'm unable to zoom this out. It is not zooming out. Okay, so let's count as it is. Okay, so let's see how many rows are there first. So we have, going to change the pen color to be little clear. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 full rows, which is 60, because we already know in one row we have 10 laddus. So 10 into 6 is 60. And on the next row, if you see, one laddu is missing. Here we have a missing laddu in this place. So one laddu is missing. So 10 minus 1 is 9. You can also cross check by counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 laddus. So 400 plus 60 plus 9, which is 469. Okay, so we got 469 laddus. Okay, so the next question, how many doklas does Chacha have? So how many doklas does Chacha have? So let's count the doklas. So here we have 400 doklas. In the bottom boxes we have 400 plus the rows. We will see we have the entire row, right? So there's no missing dough class here, so there is entire row. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have totally 7 rows. So 7 into 10, 7 into 10 is 70. So 400 plus 70 is 470. So 470 is the answer. Okay. So next, Chacha is going to fill the tray with more laddus. So what he is going to do is, he is going to fill the tray with more laddus. How many laddus will make the tray full? Okay. So this tray, he is having only 69 laddus, right? So how many laddus still he needs to make this tray full? So we have to minus 100. So 100 minus 69. So 100 minus 69, which is 31. Okay, so we need 31 more laddu to complete this entire tray. Okay, so we need to minus 100. 100 minus 69 is 31. Okay, so the next question, how many laddus will he have after the last tray is full? So after the last tray is full, so once he filled all these laddus, once he added the 31 laddus. So for example, he is adding 31 laddus here. This tray will be full, right? Full means 100 laddus will be there. So we will get 100 laddus. Correct? So once we get 100 laddus, how many laddus will be there in total? So first tray 100, second tray 100, third tray 100, fourth tray 100, fifth tray 100. So we have 5 trays. 5 into 100 is 500. So totally we will get 500 laddus. Clear? Okay, next. So mark the following number on the lines and below. So we have to mark the number. So 423, 4787, 438, 476. So here we have to complete the number. So we have given with 413, 423, 433, 443, 453, 463, 473, 483, 493, and what will be the next number. So after, so if you see, there is 10 numbers difference in each number. So after 493, so now what we have to do is we have to add 10 here. So 493 plus 10, which is 503. Okay, very simple question. All right. So the next one, TJ and Jojo saw a big apartment. Okay, they saw a big apartment. See the rows here. Top hundreds home. Okay. Find the house numbers of the shaded houses without counting. Share your strategy. So here these are the rows, and one floor above is 105 is 115. So here see, they have given 1, 2, 3. They are starting from the first row from 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, and here from 13 they went directly to 113. Okay, so 113 is 10 above the 13th floor. So 10 above the 13th floor. So if you want to go to 124, what you will do here, for example, from 13 if you want to go to this place 124. So this is the 14th floor. 124 is 10 floor above the 14th floor. Okay. So this is very very simple. You can do, this is your class activity. Okay, you can do with your friends and your teacher will explain. Maybe she can bring you a cardboard and she'll explain you much better. Okay, this is a very very simple class activity. Okay. And students, as I already stated, those who want to join the tuition, you can message me to the WhatsApp number 74186 19174. Okay, so we will watch the balance video in our next part 3 video. All right, students, take care and be safe. Bye bye.